Here's how to change your personal voicemail greeting in CommPortal. Go to our website, www.touchbasetelecom.com, and click the Customer Portal login link at the top of the page. From there, click Telephone User Login. This will open up to the CommPortal login page. Enter your phone number and the password you've set, or the default password from when your account was created if you haven't changed it. Once you're logged in, you'll see a screen like this with your phone status. Scroll down to Your Services and click on Message Settings. Then click on Voicemail Greeting. You'll see the text Use the Greeting with the drop-down box listing options such as Personal, Extended Absence, System, etc. Make sure your greeting is set to Personal. Then click on Edit. This will open up a pop-up tab where you can record or listen to a greeting or upload a new greeting. If you're planning on restoring your old greeting, make sure you download it using this button. Click Upload Greeting and then the Choose File button. Once you've selected your new voicemail greeting file, click Upload. Once it's uploaded, click Save, and your new voicemail greeting will be used from now on. If you're not currently a TouchBase Telecom customer and you'd like to get a VoIP phone system set up for your business, please reach out by phone, email, or visiting our website shown here.